Have you ever wondered if Ethereum could finally break free from its slow speeds and sky-high fees, unlocking a truly scalable future for crypto? What if a project like Optimism could be the game changer everyone's waiting for? But does it really have the staying power to deliver? Stick around as we dive in, because by the end, you'll see why this could reshape how we think about blockchain. Let's start with the basics. Picture this. Back in 2019, a team of Ethereum developers saw the network grinding to a halt under massive demand, like a bustling city highway jammed with traffic. They created Optimism as a Layer 2 solution, essentially a fast lane built on top of Ethereum. Using something called optimistic rollups, it bundles transactions off-chain, processes them quickly and cheaply, then secures them back on Ethereum's mainnet. Fees drop to pennies, speeds soar, all without sacrificing security. But here's the intriguing part. Optimism isn't just a fix, it's evolving into something bigger. What could that mean for its future? Now, what makes Optimism stand out? Its secret sauce is the OP Stack, an open-source toolkit that's like Lego blocks for building custom blockchains. Developers can launch their own scalable chains, tailored for things like DeFi or payments, and connect them into the Superchain, a network of interoperable Layer 2s, including big names like Base and Unichain. This isn't just tech, it's a vision for a unified, efficient Ethereum ecosystem, powering 15% of all crypto transactions already and securing billions in assets. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This video is just for educational purposes only. So, does Optimism have investing potential? Absolutely. It solves real problems like Ethereum scalability bottlenecks, fostering faster innovation in DeFi, NFTs, and beyond. Its vision is to build a sustainable future through retroactive public goods funding, rewarding projects that benefit everyone. With over $500 million in TVL, partnerships with giants like Uniswap and Synthetics, and recent moves like token buybacks tied to network revenue, it's positioned for growth in a multi-chain world. But remember, crypto's volatile. Do your own research. I'm trying to grow this channel and help others like me. If my video helped you, like and subscribe and leave a comment to boost my motivation. Lately, it has been hard to keep going without feedback. Love you guys. See you in the next video.